Did you know this? Nearly 70% of check engine lights are caused by minor issues, but most drivers still rush straight to a mechanic and overpay. What if a small device could tell you what's really wrong in seconds? Today, we're diving into the 5 best OBD2 scanners for car diagnostics, breaking down what each one does best, how they compare, and which one is the ultimate winner overall. Whether you're a casual driver or a serious DIYer, this list will help you choose smarter. All the links are in the description. Number 5. MOTOPOWER MP69033 OBD2 Scanner. Let's start with one of the most popular budget-friendly options out there, the MOTOPOWER MP69033. This scanner is all about simplicity. Plug it in and it instantly powers up using your car's OBD2 port. No batteries, no charging, no apps. It reads and clears basic engine fault codes, shows live data like coolant temperature, RPM, speed, and freeze frame info, and checks IM readiness for emissions testing. Compared to others on this list, it's clearly more basic. No ABS, airbag, or advanced system access. But that's also what makes it beginner-friendly. The 2.8-inch LCD screen is easy to read, the 6-button layout is straightforward, and it supports multiple languages. While it feels a bit dated next to Bluetooth scanners like BlueDriver or more feature-packed tools like WEJOWE, it's reliable for simple check engine diagnostics. What really stands out about the MP69033 is how foolproof it is. There's almost zero learning curve. Even if you've never touched a scanner before, you can plug it in, see the codes, and clear them in minutes. For someone who just wants to verify why the check engine light is on and avoid unnecessary trips to a mechanic, this tool hits the mark. That said, if you're curious about more advanced diagnostics, like sensor testing or battery voltage readings, this won't cover it. Still, for the price, it's a strong starter option that keeps things simple and cost-effective. What do you think? Do you prefer basic and affordable, or feature-packed and advanced? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. Zmoon ZM201 Professional OBD2 Scanner. Stepping things up, the Zmoon ZM201 offers more depth without getting complicated. It supports nearly 98% of OBD2 vehicles and shines with its massive 35,901 built-in DTC code library, which is way more than most entry-level scanners. That means less guessing and fewer Google searches. You can read and clear codes, view live data streams, freeze frame info, onboard monitoring, and IM readiness, all on a sharp 2.8-inch color screen with dark and light modes. Compared to the MOTOPOWER, it feels more modern and informative, but it still doesn't reach the system-level access of BlueDriver. It won't scan ABS or airbags, but for engine diagnostics alone, it beats cheaper scanners in clarity and detail. One of the biggest benefits of the ZM201 is how much extra insight it gives for engine troubleshooting. Say your vehicle's fuel trim is off, or a sensor is misreporting. This scanner shows more live data points than the MP69033, which makes identifying recurring problems easier. It's a great balance for someone who wants more information but isn't ready to rely on Bluetooth apps or professional-level tools. The color screen is a surprisingly nice upgrade too. It makes reading codes and live data much less of a strain. If you're someone who enjoys a hands-on approach to vehicle diagnostics without feeling overwhelmed, Zmoon offers that middle ground. Would this be enough for your needs? Number 3. VDIAGTOOL VD10 OBD2 Scanner. Right in the middle of the list, the VDIAGTOOL VD10 focuses on quick, no-frills diagnostics with broad vehicle compatibility, about 99% of OBD2 cars worldwide. It reads and clears engine codes, displays live data, freeze frame info, and checks emissions readiness, all through a simple 2-line LCD screen. Compared to the Zmoon and WEJOWE, The screen and interface are more basic, but the performance is solid and reliable for everyday use. It's faster and more intuitive than ultra-cheap readers, yet not as advanced as scanners with Mode 6 or Mode 8 testing. What makes the VD10 appealing is its speed and reliability. If your check engine light pops up unexpectedly, you can get real-time readings and confirm whether it's a minor issue, like a loose gas cap, or something more serious. It also works on nearly every OBD2 compliant car, which is great if you own multiple vehicles or work on friends' cars. The trade-off is fewer advanced features, no deep sensor testing, no extensive code libraries. But if your goal is fast diagnostics and clearing codes after a repair, it's efficient and trustworthy. For DIYers who want something simple yet capable, it strikes a solid balance between affordability and functionality. That said, if you want more insight or graph-based analysis, the higher-ranked scanners clearly pull ahead. Number 2. WEJOWE OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. Now this is where things get interesting. The WEJOWE OBD2 scanner packs advanced diagnostic features usually missing in budget tools, without the complexity of professional scanners. Along with reading and clearing codes, it supports Mode 6 and Mode 8 tests, live data streaming, freeze frame analysis, VIN retrieval, battery voltage, and IM readiness checks. Its 35,901 code library rivals the Zmoon, but adds more diagnostic depth. Compared to the VD10 and MOTOPOWER, it offers far more insight into emissions and sensor performance, making it ideal for serious DIYers. The color display is clear and easy to navigate, though it doesn't access ABS or airbag systems like BlueDriver. Where WEJOWE really shines is in helping users troubleshoot issues that aren't immediately obvious. For example, it can help detect subtle sensor irregularities, intermittent misfires, or emissions anomalies that cheaper scanners might miss. For someone who enjoys understanding the why behind engine problems, this tool provides a lot more context. It also has a more modern design and intuitive interface, making it easier to navigate for beginners compared to the VD10 or Zmoon. While it's not as deep as BlueDriver in system access, it's still a powerhouse for its price range. If you want diagnostic capability without a smartphone dependency, this one is a strong contender that's hard to ignore. Number 1. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scanner. Winner. And here it is, the overall winner. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro isn't just a scanner. It turns your smartphone into a powerful diagnostic hub. Pair it with the free app, and you unlock engine, ABS, SRS airbag, transmission, and TPMS diagnostics, something no other scanner on this list can fully match. It provides vehicle-specific repair reports, explaining not just what the code means, but what commonly causes it and how others fixed it. Compared to handheld scanners like WEJOWE or Zmoon, BlueDriver feels more modern, more informative, and more future-proof thanks to free software updates and no subscription fees. What sets BlueDriver apart is its professional-level insights without the professional price. It not only tells you which part is malfunctioning, but often points toward the root cause, saving both time and money. Its compatibility is excellent across makes and models, and the app's data visualization makes complex diagnostics easy to understand. While scan speed depends on your phone, the depth of information, including ABS, airbag, transmission, and TPMS, makes it a no-brainer for serious DIYers or anyone who wants full visibility into their vehicle's health. For those who want the closest experience to a mechanic-grade scanner, BlueDriver offers unmatched features, simplicity, and long-term value. Final verdict. So which one should you choose? If you want basic, affordable diagnostics, MOTOPOWER does the job. for better detail without apps, Zmoon and Wedjo shine. But for overall features, system access, ease of use, and long-term value, BlueDriver takes the crown. Choosing the right OBD2 scanner can save you hundreds in repair costs and give you confidence every time that warning light comes on. All the links are in the description.